Yo, what's up guys? Happy Sendin's back at it here with another car video, install type video. So a couple things going on today. One thing, homie of ours, Ethan, is going to be rolling through with an Evo, and we're going to be installing some rally armors on it, on his Evo 4. And then we're going to be working on the Suzuki Alto. So I guess I'll let Tristan kind of explain what's going on, but we're going to be making a little checklist today.
Yeah, so I got some parts for this car. I picked it up a little bit ago. Needs a little bit of work to get it running. Finally got everything together so that I can finally make sure it's all good to go. Got the head gasket for it right there, all brand new. Make sure that's all good because it was blowing up on this car when I got it. Got the intake for it here, that was missing. Got the rad for it, got to throw that in still, but just test fit it in there. Hook all that up and then make a checklist on what else we need to fix it and make sure it's running. Got some seat rails so I can throw like a Recaro in there for the drivers and another seat rail for the passengers. Nice fat exhaust, you know, because we're missing that, so might as well, it's a Suzuki Sport. So there's a little bit of crash damage on this car from before that pulled us straight. So we're just gonna spray this with a little bit of black paint real quick.
Get rid of the
look
rust.
a little better.
Yeah, get rid of the little bit of surface rust and stuff.
Not gonna pull the motor, but just paint the bay while we can. How much better does that look already?
Yeah, it's already looking like 5 times better.
Right?
Taking the hood off so that we can get in there to paint. It's just so it's not black and then jank up there. You know.
Fuck, I dropped the second one there, dude. I dropped the second bolt both times.
K-car shit.
Okay, so
That little ratchet kit?
yeah. Yeah, the
There's
thing.
some assembly required apparently.
Oh, fuck. We're gonna tape off the window.
That's a V8.
Sounds like a truck or something.
Or a motorcycle.
Yeah, it's already looking way better, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
Don't overspray the badge.
No, I gotta tape that off.
I ain't getting on my comment.
I'm a ride, not your chauffeur.
Yo, yeah, you heard this?
Yeah, I have it on my phone. It's so fucking good. I'm your ride, not your chauffeur.
Oh, she's empty. Oh, no. She's just shooting blanks for a bit. Oh.
She's low, yeah.
Are the mud flaps coming, Ethan?
It's day when the bracket's broken.
Oh shit, that'll happen. Is busted on the back or what?
Yeah.
These old busted mud flaps. Want to explain how you destroyed these so bad?
Ski hill.
Ski hill. Cold plastic, rocks, do not mix. With the old and with the new. Shouts out to Tristan for the workbench.
Yeah, when you pay nothing.
Glennon Auto Body.
Hey, come get your shit painted for free. Yeah, Mr. Bosha, if you're watching, I'm sorry.
I don't understand, but that's okay. Out of province teams. Oh, that can is hurting. Yeah, this one won't move.
Tight?
Yeah.
Dope.
So does this one have one?
No, that just holds the bracket on the side.
Where? Yeah.
So then when it gets hit, it can just. That's it, yeah. Dope.
Alright, so Tristan got the Alto Bay all painted up. Toss a thumbs up for that professional paint job and that professional mask job, you know? Looks so much better than before. Alright, so here we got Ethan's Evo 4. I met Ethan through Tristan. Tristan and Ethan work together, they're both welders at the same company. But yeah, it's a 1997 JDM Mitsubishi Evo 4. Yeah, it's low-key the same age as me. It's got an intake, got that HKS blow-off valve, a little boost controller. He has some 18-inch RPF 1s on it with the fresh mud flaps we just installed today. A little custom exhaust, but he's getting a new one soon. I really like the interiors on these cars. So 2 big factory bucket seats up front with a cool classic weird JDM pattern. There's his Blitz boost gauge up there. He's actually gonna be painting the entire car black. It is fairly paint chipped up, just from, you know, being 20 years old and all. Got a raise head just to help with the cooling. Yeah, all in all, pretty dope Evo. Lots of potential. Tristan out here switching it up with more new wheels again that he just got. Some work equips. So this is the homie Pascal's. It's a 600cc CBR Honda. Pretty dope. I guess he's had it since like grade 11. But he also has an Evo. He actually has an Evo 5 though. I'm sure you guys will see it pretty soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that.
That's cool. Cusco little.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Yeah.
That's super cool.
It's in the details.
Yeah, the details are rad.
Oh, it's an Evo 8 wrap?
It's got the screamer pipe down here and shit. External whiskey. Screamer pipe down there. The housing is
Yeah. Quick release.
That booty though?
Go up here?
Yeah, right there.
Like up in here.
Yeah.
Cyclops.
So we finished the engine bay on the Alto. There's a couple dry spots, but for what it was, it's pretty good. Just kind of wanted to touch it up before I started putting all the shit together.
Yeah, it looks better than before for sure.
Yeah, so we'll touch it up again tomorrow and in the daylight and actually do a little bit better job. And then start taking all the shit off, get ready to do the head gasket, and start getting all the maintenance parts like spark plugs and the wires and the new battery and all the new hoses and shit I need. And hopefully she'll be running within the next couple days, a week or so. And
Is the intake installed?
kind of, it's just sitting there. I mean,
Yeah.
that's where it'll be. It just has to be clamped
Yeah,
down.
mocked up, so it looks something like that over there. Alright guys, that concludes this video. We got Ethan's mudflaps on his Evo 4. You guys got introduced to Pascal and his whips. Little checklist to report the Alto a little bit, painted the engine bay. Now Tristan knows what he needs to get the car running. Yeah, that basically ends this video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.